What are you doing?
Let's go. We back. What? Oh, we got a crawl space. Wow. What's his name again?
Chris.
We got Chris, Daredevil Chris going up in it. I ain't trying to show his butthole. Sorry, YouTube. I ain't trying to show his butt crack, you know. Oh yeah, Chris ain't no punk. Look at Chris is my new homie right there.
What's up there, babe?
Here, you want the you probably can't reach the camera, can you, Chris?
I don't think so. I can try.
Hold this, bro. I'll climb up here. I'm gonna climb up here. I gotta go up here.
I can't hold the light. I got my own light.
Yeah, I got you.
These boards are a little loose.
This dude about to climb up, y'all. That'd be crazy if he did. Cause look, there's a hole over there.
Probably
Hey, let me see that flashlight.
Here you go.
And the camera.
Now he wants the camera, y'all. Too bad. Keep reaching.
Oh, my feet about to buckle. Oh, here, Chris. You ain't gotta go too far, man. Just get a little pan of the area. I can't go no further, you two. I broke my neck. And I just lost my flash. What I just do with that flash? Oh, you got it, Chris, don't you?
No, I don't get the flashlight. It's right there. Right there.
Oh, okay, I gotta come. It looked cute, but I'm not gonna do this up here, YouTube. Doesn't it feel good? Oh, I gotta get.
It goes all the way.
Good, Chris?
Yeah, we're good.
You weren't saying that.
I thought they got him.
Damn. Look, y'all.
Don't drop my phone.
Oh, he fell, y'all. No, he's good. Let's get it.
You get the phone?
Make sure
Let mama get the phone.
Make sure he's getting down, y'all. Don't touch my light.
I can't see them.
Y'all. She's cracking up over here.
It's totally funny because you got yourself up there.
Chris is the beast. Yeah.
Bro just climbed all the way up there. He's been possessed. Look at him, y'all. He's climbing up walls. He's been possessed.
My homie.
Here's your flashlight.
Here, you want this back? He don't want it back. He wants to be on film. So scared. Are you still you?
We're going back to the house?
Yeah. I want to go upstairs.
Okay.
Because I heard footsteps.
Let's let y'all get on camera for a minute. Let the stars get on camera, man.
So, did we not hear something in the basement?
Yeah, I did hear something. It sounded like they was like, whoosh. And I looked back, and wasn't none of y'all by us.
I have before. They turned it into a. They turned it into a. Oh yeah.
Yeah, they obviously are good. They obviously cool with it.
Yeah, thanks, guys.
He said just. Sorry, y'all. He's a little.
You good with the camera?
Yeah, I had to fix my shirt. I was fixing my shirt, man.
What's your name? I don't want to get my name wrong. Lindsay's in the building, everybody.
Oh, damn. He just closed the door.
It wasn't these stairs. It was these stairs down here. Wasn't it? Where I heard something. That was down here, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's further than the door.
Yeah, because the stairs were on the right hand
What the
side.
hell was that?
Yeah, right next to the door.
Yeah.
I keep hearing stuff behind me. They got me in the back, y'all, so just know if the camera drops.
I was standing right there, and it sounded like somebody's right up there.
Wow.
And like it was like kicking, like that.
We're going up.
Hey, we following y'all now.
So
We're in the
you
building. Remember to hit that like. Remember to hit that like and subscribe if you haven't.
Let me know in the comments what you think.
This place is crawling with.
No, I want to see something. I want to see this fucking doll.
What dog?
The doll they were seeing.
She wants to see that dog.
Dog.
Where did she go? Oh shit! Just popped out of nowhere. Oh damn! Almost hit my head right now. We got people venturing.
Yeah, that's right there. You know what I'm saying? Is that what it's down with? I don't know. You said it in one of the rooms.
Oh, shit.
He said it was in every room we went in and it had his eyes cut out. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
Did you see it?
Hey, if I see that, I'm running.
I wanted to pick it up.
They're kicking doors in and stuff, y'all. I'll put the camera in before I go in.
Where's your dollar?
Do we need to go back up in the
He's
attic?
asking for it. Huh?
You want to go back up in the attic or no?
I mean, that's cool. See something. I can see something in the camera. Maybe that's just that light way over there.
You okay?
Yeah, we're just listening.
I'm scared to death. Yeah, yeah, he heard something. I seen something in the camera, but I couldn't tell if it was outside. Looked like a light.
That was a good animal.
So there's a cemetery around here?
Hey, you wanna hold this?
What's up, YouTube? Alpha Male's back, baby. With Primetime Brown. Lindsay and Chris. Y'all know where the cemetery is?
Ask him.
You trying to hit it up, dude, or what? I say you trying to hit it up, or what?
You can look out this right here and see if there's any cemeteries out. You're like spotlighted.
Wings.
I don't see nothing.
Yeah, what was that? That was over here.
It's like a cat or something. It's like a little kid or
I
something.
heard it. It was over here.
I was talking about sitting up here in the dark listening.
Let's do it. Ooh, something just shone. What was that?
Probably a cop.
Probably yeah.
Kill your lights and see what's.
No, that was like an eye, like an animal's eye. What is that?
Kill your lights, see if we can hear anything.
Turn the lights on.
That's creepy.
Anybody here? All right, you ready to make a mess? Let's get out of here, man. Scared of what?
Maybe when you turn the light on, I'll get the best of one. It looks like something with the eye.
Yeah, dude, we better go for us, come. I want to push it to the limit.
He must have got scared in the dark.
Scared of what? I ain't trying to push it to the limit and get arrested. You got the film, don't get greedy. Oh, they do got a light.
They got grab, bro.
What?
They got grab.
Okay.
He said, okay, I'm ready. They really did.
Okay, we need to go. they go. Let's go, man.
Yeah, he was scared for a second.
Trying to get out of here,
He
man.
was like, hold up. They really did.
They got a light?
I don't think, I think they got a phone.
Oh, they right here. Y'all got a light?
They just got grabbed. It ran.
Where's the freaking way out? This is not the way out. This ain't the way out, bro. Yeah, this ain't the way out, bro.
No, it's right here.
Hey, upstairs in this far end of the attic, we were just sitting there quietly and we kept hearing stuff like moving around like a wheel moving.
Where, upstairs?
Yeah, upstairs in the attic.
I told you, that's why I stopped. I was like, where's your...
At first she thought it was like an animal or something. I was like, I ain't no animal. An animal don't make a sound.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Over there in that back corner. We were just sitting there quietly with the light off and I was like, what the hell is that sound?
See my left side coming. I still think it was me.
I was like, I ain't no animal.
This is crazy. Did you hear that?
There it is, he's over here.
That was the same thing I heard just a minute ago.
Sound like something whining.
What is it?
I don't know. It's over here somewhere.
You have light on your phone?
Are you going up? If you
It's straight
scratch...
outside.
Oh, that's coming from outside.
Is it?
Gotta be. I hope it is.
Hold on. Let's listen. I can still hear
Ain't
it.
that down here spinning?
It's fucking close, and
You
you're not
heard it?
seeing it.
No.
You heard
Nothing
that? Yeah.
outside that would be spinning. There's all shingles outside.
It's
That's
still
it.
doing it. What was that? I'm not doing it.
There's nobody.
That's crazy.
Yeah, some weird stuff going on up here. Hearing noises. Keep hearing the same noise. Might be telling us to get out of here.
Now I'm in the back.
Yeah. What the hell was that?
I was telling her, I was like, come that light backwards just in case it is an animal. I don't want to see that thing hit me in the
Oh, I
butt.
saw something. Hey, prime time, you step in for a minute. I'll be back in an hour. We're gonna make our way out of here. This place is super freaky. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Oh, it's not the way. It's back here.
Whining or something.
Is this to the basement or downstairs?
That's
We're
to.
on the main level, babe.
No, we're not. Right here's outside.
Oh, bam.
I don't know, I'm all twisting turning around.
Yeah, it's the way right here.
No, this way's out.
Yep. Yep, sure is.
What's that? I didn't go in that room.
Oh, yeah, this is.
Yeah, we've been in here.
I haven't.
Oh, here go the way out right here. Yeah, it's the way out right here. Oh.
This is the doll I think they're talking about.
Hello?
No, it was an actual doll. You sure? Yeah. He said it was an actual doll. He doesn't want his eyes cut out, man.
God damn. Breaking my down. That's the way out right here. Keep tripping over the damn thing. Come on, we gotta finish it out.
Yeah. The receipt, maybe.
This is a small little hallway. Right?
Hey, we're gonna do the in and out back.
Oh, I didn't go this way either. I feel deprived.
Appreciate you, Chris and Lindsay. Thanks for your help tonight.
Yeah, thank you. Pleasure being here with you guys.
What's your society called again?
Park County Paranormal Society.
Is that a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Park County Paranormal Society. Check them out. Like and subscribe. They some good people. They helped us out tonight. Much love, much respect. We about to do the end it out here. Prime time. Come on. I don't know, but let's end it out right here. We just finished this asylum, Park County Poor Asylum. Heard some noises in there. I don't know if it's haunted, but it definitely could be. Something's going on in there. Thanks for coming with us on this journey. I'm here with Primetime Brown. Appreciate you coming out. We had help from Lindsay and Chris. We appreciate them for coming. Thanks for coming, everybody. Much love, much respect. And remember, stay positive, stay focused, and always
keep exploring.
We'll see you in the next one. Peace.